Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn "you were" in English.
Positive sentences.
You were amazing last night.
You were amazing last night.
Really? Thanks a lot. Really? Thanks a lot.
You were so calm during the exam. You were so calm during the exam.
I tried not to panic. I tried not to panic.
You were really helpful yesterday.
You were really helpful yesterday.
Anytime. Anytime.
You were on time for once. You were on time for once.
Yeah, I made an effort. Yeah, I made an effort.
You were funny in class today.
You were funny in class today.
Glad you liked it. Glad you liked it.
You were right about that.
You were right about that.
Told you. Told you.
You were super focused.
You were super focused.
I had to be. I had to be.
You were great in the game.
You were great in the game.
Thanks, I practiced a lot. Thanks, I practiced a lot.
You were really confident.
You were really confident.
I felt good about it. I felt good about it.
You were in a good mood earlier.
You were in a good mood earlier.
Yeah, everything was going well. Yeah, everything was going well.
Negative sentences.
You weren't nervous at all.
You weren't nervous at all.
I was surprisingly calm. I was surprisingly calm.
You weren't late today.
You weren't late today.
Finally. Finally.
You weren't serious back then.
You weren't serious back then.
Yeah, I was joking. Yeah, I was joking.
You weren't ready, were you? You weren't ready, were you?
Not really. Not really.
You weren't paying attention.
You weren't paying attention.
Sorry, I got distracted. Sorry, I got distracted.
You weren't at school yesterday. You weren't at school yesterday.
Yeah, I was sick. Yeah, I was sick.
You weren't listening to me.
You weren't listening to me.
My bad, say it again. My bad, say it again.
You weren't honest with me. You weren't honest with me.
I know, I'm sorry. I know, I'm sorry.
You weren't busy, right?
You weren't busy, right?
Nope, I was free. Nope, I was free.
You weren't alone, were you?
You weren't alone, were you?
No, I had friends with me. No, I had friends with me.
Question sentences.
Were you busy yesterday?
Were you busy yesterday?
Kind of, yeah. Kind of, yeah.
دیشب مهمونی بودی؟
Were you at the party last night?
Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it was fun.
Were you at home earlier?
Were you at home earlier?
Yeah, I just left. Yeah, I just left.
Were you tired after the game?
Were you tired after the game?
Totally exhausted. Totally exhausted.
Were you serious about that?
Were you serious about that?
Yeah, I meant it. Yeah, I meant it.
Were you late again?
Were you late again?
Unfortunately, yes. Unfortunately, yes.
Were you with your friends?
Were you with your friends?
Yeah, we hung out. Yeah, we hung out.
Were you nervous before the test?
Were you nervous before the test?
A little bit. A little bit.
Were you happy with the result?
Were you happy with the result?
Not really. Not really.
Now it's your turn. Try to write one affirmative, one negative, and one question in the comments below.